iyo ufite urugo rugendera mu marangamutima rurakena rugira ibibazo. Umuntu arabyuka mu gitondo singa ifite feeling zawe ukinginga izigire myamuneka uti ntazihari kandi koko ntazo.
And yes, they are right. They had their own
tugiyo zagiye ziba zagiye benshi mu mago menshi mu bantu benshi nabarwayi bo mu mutwe. Ariko kuri doze ntoya ntibishoboka ko umuntu yaza mu nzu agasanga akagacupa gateretsa.
It is placed over there.
Agatangira akavuza induru.
And they start shouting.
No, how
possible?
No.
No, I'm tired.
Ufite affaire y'umusazi.
You have some craziness within you.
Utarwaye ahita agafata.
They can pick up the bottle
akagashira ku meza
and place it where it is supposed to be, and then peace will be in the house. But once they make noise,
nawe ituge ngo hey nagashizeho nyine mugatangira mukarwana nawe usubizanyije ubundi busazi. None inzikaba basazi babiri.
And now the house is full of two crazy people.
Ninde ubakiza nta docteur w'indero uraho.
There is no doctor from the neuroscience.
Muramarana.
And all of you are going
to ibyumweru bibiri mutavugana kubera gacupa umwana wawe mutoya wa undukunda yagashizeho atari na nyina wagashize. Umudamu cyangwa umugabo ateguye ameza.
A wife or husband prepares the table.
Yibagiwe ikanya.
And they forget to bring a fork.
Gehenomu yose kamanuka.
And all
logique
arises.
Muri logique.
In logic,
wibagiwe ko yabitetse.
You forgot that they cooked the food.
Yiriwe kumbabura.
They spend the whole day on the cooking stove.
Yamurinze icuba n'icyambutema.
God protect them for the knife not to cut them.
Umuriro ntiwamutwitse.
And fire could not burn them.
Ateguye ibiryo.
They are preparing the table.
Kwibagirwa ikanya.
It's only forgetting the fork.
Ukahita ubimumena mu maso.
And now you pour the food upon them.
Tarwaye uwo muntu.
Isn't that person sick for sure?
Ariko kuko twebwe abarokore dukoza ngo ni daimoni duhita tuza ku rusengero ngo umugabo wanje yatewe ntiyatewe ararwaye bamubanza bamujyane kwa muganga hanyuma tuzabone kwiga iby'umwuka. Mu by'ukuri usanze
in fact when you find the fork is not there,
logique mugomba kumva ko yibagiwe kuko siko ahora bikora kamucitse ibyo bibaho.
That is also happens.
Ariko ni logique ugeze mu cyumba
you go in the room,
it
is not laid well.
What's
the problem with you laying the bed where you sleep? There's no visitor who sleeps there. There is no person in the hotel. You're the person going to sleep. You're waiting for them to come home. Normal to them. But now don't be annoyed still. You're annoyed and you don't like get bed? That's also a problem.